Now it's recording.
Okay, so now it's recording. All right. So, hi everyone, and welcome to a special Ginkgo tutorial. I forgot it's been so long. All right. So recently, I just checked out, and it turns out that we have over 4,000 subscribers now. We're relevant. We're up there with the people, official people. So, what I want to do is show you. I guess this is like an omake. A special tutorial on how to make American comfort food. So this is one of my husband's favorite dishes. I made it for him, and then he decided to marry me. So if you're looking to hook up with somebody, this is definitely the dish to make for that. It was this and pancakes, right? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna cook this for you, and it is barbecue chicken and macaroni and cheese with broccoli. It sounds very simple, but it looks very pretty and it tastes wonderful. And it's like, oh yeah, of course Zero's doing a chicken cooking video, right? But I just got in the swing of it, so whatever. I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna cook. Mostly, I'm kind of making fun of that other girl.
The other girl?
Yeah, the one who pitches her voice up like this when she does her tutorials. Yeah. No, it's somebody else. Oh, I forgot her name, but she used to infuriate me because she would always talk down to me.
You know what you did.
I didn't do jack. She was just being a bitch. Anyway, she has a cooking segment on her channel, and I was like, well, you know, one day when I get up there, I'll make a cooking thing on mine. So this is my cooking thing. So it's cooking with Zero.
Yeah.
What?
Funny.
What?
Carry on.
Well, cooking with Scorpion?
I was just laughing at you. It was your...
Oh, yeah. That was going to be a thing I was going to do. Because anyway, right. Cooking. So, all right. So what we're going to make is American comfort food. And this is guaranteed to get you fat, but it will get you a husband. I'm proof of that. So, what you do... I have proof of this, man. I want to go look at my ring, but I take rings off when I'm cooking. So what you need is some chicken. Since the store we shop at says they have a flux in chicken, I can never get even there's that chicken breast of any kind. So this is thin cut chicken, thin sliced, and regular chicken breast that I'm going to cut down into thin sliced. For the mac and cheese, we're going to ditch macaroni and we're going to go straight up bow tie because we're fancy in this place. Yes, everything must be formal, so we're having formal pasta. Plain old white sugar because we're going to use that for seasoning. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Yeah, Save a Lot sells the refill one you're supposed to pour into smaller bottles, but I just glob it on there. That's going to be our sauce for later when we bake it. Broccoli, because it's going to make it healthy. 2 bags of sharp cheddar. That's going to be our mac and cheese cheese sauce. There's 3 cups in this. Some all-purpose flour. Salt, and you need any kind of oil for frying. This is all I have left, so I'm going to be doing my deep frying in this one. Sorry my stove was dirty. I was supposed to clean it before I did the video, but I forgot to do it. Oh, and we're going to need some bowls and plate so we can put the egg. Oh, egg. We're supposed to have eggs. So we're going to put eggs in this and flour in that and all our ingredients and stuff on the plate. So I'm going to go and clear off this right here. And we're going to start doing our chopping of the meat. Yeah, chopping that meat. So we're going to cut this thick, no, that's a thin cut chicken. I'm going to cut the thick chicken into thin sliced ones so I can get more out of it because it's easier to cook thin chicken than super thick chicken. And you get more meat. So I'm going to pause this and I'm going to clear out the space and then we're going to start chopping that meat.
All right, it's doing it.
It's recording?
Yeah, it's doing it.
All right, so what's in the shot?
Your hands.
Just my hands?
And
into the shirt? Or?
a little bit. You're fine, whatever. Do your thing.